Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Galaxy Watch8 44mm, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Galaxy Watch8 44mm, a wireless charging cable, a fabric band, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to wear. Place the watch on your wrist with the display facing upward, then wrap the stretchy fabric band around your wrist. Thread the band through the fastening section and adjust the length according to your wrist size. Secure the Velcro firmly against the fabric to keep the watch comfortably in place. How to use. Turning on and off. Turning the watch on, turning the watch off, forcing restart, emergency calls and medical information, adding the account, registering a Samsung account on your watch, adding a Google account to your watch. Controlling screen. Your watch has a touch bezel or a rotatable bezel. Rotate the bezel clockwise or anti-clockwise using 2 fingers, or swipe the touch bezel to control various watch functions. Scrolling through screens, moving from item to item, adjusting the input value using the phone or alarm feature. Screen composition. Turning the screen on and off. Switching between the watch and apps screen. Returning to the previous screen, apps screen, opening apps. Watch screen, changing the watch face, turning on low light mode, turning on the always on display feature, notification panel. Indicator icons. Keyboard layout. Apps and features. To enable calls and messages on your Galaxy Watch, make sure it is synced with your Android device. Open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, and turn off risk detection to receive texts and calls anytime. In Notification Settings, allow messages and phone notifications on your watch. On your Android phone, open Bluetooth settings, select your Galaxy Watch, and enable phone calls. Once completed, you can answer and make calls directly from the watch, adjust volume, mute the speaker, switch calls to your phone, access contacts, and send text messages from the Messages app. The Galaxy Watch provides real-time health tracking with accurate heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring. During testing, the heart rate readings matched closely with a pulse oximeter, showing consistent and reliable results. The blood oxygen (SpO2) measurement also matched the external device reading. The watch includes additional health features such as antioxidant level tracking, metabolic health analysis, body composition measurement, and a running coach that creates personalized workouts to help improve fitness. It also supports ECG monitoring by recording heart rhythm and providing reports through the phone app. The blood pressure feature is available but requires calibration with a traditional blood pressure monitor and may not always provide highly reliable readings. Using music. Using gallery. Viewing images. Voice recorder. Camera controller. Modes and routines. How to pair. To begin with it on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, you'll need to download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Add New Device. Then choose your Galaxy Watch 8 from the list of available devices. Allow the required permissions and accept the terms and privacy settings of Samsung. Make sure the pairing code is identical on the phone and the watch. Log in with your Google account. Choose optional settings like diagnostic data and location access, and set up automatic updates and app installation. You can turn on automatic backup with Samsung Smart Switch or set up the watch as a new device. Decide if you want to wear it on your left or right wrist and where you want the button to be. Finish your setup with features like vascular load tracking, sleep monitoring, running coach, and emergency assistance. After you finish these steps, your Galaxy Watch 8 is ready to use. Smart features? Analyzes your sleep, activity, heart rate, and previous health data to provide a daily energy score. It helps you understand your readiness level and suggests when to focus on activity or recovery. Monitors sleep stages, sleep duration, heart rate, and blood oxygen levels while you sleep. It provides personalized insights and coaching tips to help improve your sleep quality and daily routine. Creates personalized running plans based on your fitness level and tracks your performance during workouts. It provides real-time data like distance, pace, heart rate, and progress to help improve your training. Tracks important health metrics including heart rate, ECG, blood pressure, body composition, blood oxygen, and vascular load. These sensors provide detailed health insights to help monitor fitness, wellness, and overall body condition. Allows you to use voice commands directly from your Galaxy Watch 8 to ask questions, manage tasks, and get quick information. It helps you interact with apps, set reminders, and access smart assistants without using your phone. Provides seamless connection with Android devices, allowing you to receive notifications, control apps, and customize your watch experience. One UI 8. Watch offers a smoother interface, improved navigation, and smart features for easier daily use. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Galaxy Watch 8 44mm. See you in the next one.